Hey fam, welcome back to Rochielin. A few months ago I featured the richest man in Jamaica on this channel and we got a tour of his mansion. I want to talk about richest man. I don't mean rich in worldly possessions, but rich in life, energy, wanting to take care of nature, rich in understanding who he is and what he's about and his purpose on this earth. And his mansion was not the typical type of mansion where it's all luxury and modern and anything like that. It was his idea of what a mansion should look like. So it was all naturesque. He packed the stone himself. Everything is all left out to nature, to the birds, to the animals, to the trees, to the wind. And it was just such a natural space, such a zen space, such a space that makes you want to just embrace everything that life has to give you. Well, I'm back here today. We're gonna have an interesting conversation with him and we're gonna cook some food, full of vibes, and just enjoy the day. I know you guys will find this entertaining and educational, so I'm gonna encourage you to definitely stick around all the way to the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, comment below, let me know if you're excited or not. Share it with a friend so that they can watch it too. And also for my Patreon, remember I'm now on Patreon, so there will be some exclusive content over on Patreon. The link will be in the description below. So let's just get into the video, and I'm just so excited, so excited. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, look who is here before me even start. Hello.
Hey.
She never did I make this video, miss her. Wanna know that? Adia, the big man, where you there? Hey.
Whatever, Rastafari lives.
Yeah. Yeah, big up the people them. Hey, the people them love you, you know? People them respect you, the people them love the energy you bring to the channel.
I love and harmony and honor we are dealing with.
Same
and
song.
sharing and caring.
Yes.
So, who have eyes to see MC man and who have ears to hear. Even if deaf ears, so who have ears, all can hear. You know? The blind people sit, you know.
Alright, so what we are cook today? So
well,
some ackee, so.
We have all kind of sit, you know.
Some breadfruit over there,
Plantain,
so.
pear, short chop.
We have some ground
Carrots,
provisions
yeah.
over here.
We have the market.
We have the market.
Coming from the side.
So real ital cooking I go on today. Real earth food, natural food. I am so excited. I want them a calabash bowls this.
Just cut them with
nice.
Serve them with things in them. Yeah.
Nice. So the cold stove there. Cold stove there way, yeah?
Cold stove, and we have fire up.
And we have fire. Yeah, man. Don't go up at the fire pit.
We're not short at the thing.
Yes. Alright, watch them cold stove there. Somebody was asking me how people make cold stove.
How they make it?
How they make it?
I'm not sure, but these are metals where them use make pots too. And the loom thing, like.
But this is a rim, like a tire rim.
It's a car rim. But we use them thing at home. We have stones and wood with us.
So you know, I know we could roast the breadfruit here, but I think I want to roast it in the fire pit. Yeah, I'm excited. So first order business at the coal.
Yeah, we're there. I'm going to shoot out two stuff at the coal, but
charcoal.
you have some yaki and some vegetable in the tree and all these things.
All these things.
Make life feel good about it.
Of course, which is right. So guys, just look at the details with the stone packing. Can you imagine that he did all of this by himself?
The work is up there, but through the bushes, clean up back.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. In fact, I told you I started up there.
Up there, up top.
And a lot of rocks are up there now.
So he did all this stonework by himself with his hands. This is incredible. Feet. Hands and feet. Where's the entire you? Incredible. Let me take you around and give you a little bit more of a tour and then we get back to him. So here, you see he has these steps that you can walk in. They're tires, but look like cement is inside of it. Some of it at least, and you can like walk all the way up. You come all the way down. Just look at the stone packing work. One person all by themselves. I think this is incredible. And then just look all around. We're in such lush greenery. You have the ackee trees over there, and that look like a mango tree, and all kind of trees, and it's just so cool. I don't even have the words to describe it, but I want to tell you that the place feels very tranquil. Ackee, where? Oh, on the trees, yeah. Look a bit of ackee that, eh? Eat ackee daily?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
If I have 2 little, I have to go into the pot.
Mm-hmm.
If it's one, what I say, come here. Introduce it to the pot.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, so we'll do it. So,
makes sense.
it's that thing, man.
Makes sense. No, but look how she just come for relaxing now. Wanna see this? Wanna just look at this? And that's what this place is about. Yeah, it make you feel like you just wanna relax. Hey.
Is it 2 one time?
Yeah,
I run up.
I run up and down. And I run down.
I keep quiet, you have it.
Well, I make run up and down.
Relax.
It's like a well coconut. That's good. I love a coconut.
Yeah, I love enough in there, that's all.
Yeah. So come, mommy, tell them what exactly is on the menu. Tell us.
So we're not on a menu, we have some food to cook.
We have menu, now menu.
You know?
We have cook food.
Yeah, run about.
Ackee, Rondo.
Ackee, run up and down.
Yeah, everything natural.
So we're relocating from inside kitchen and we're going outside.
See that?
Ooh, my God. Not the coconut water coming out.
I don't want some. I don't want some.
I don't want some.
Come for some.
So of course, we're in ackee, so we definitely need some breadfruit. So idea has this, what you call this, fire pit?
Yeah, firehouse.
Firehouse?
Yeah.
So he's gonna be putting the breadfruit inside here.
No partiality when it comes to the fire.
Yeah. I like that little firehouse here.
Real fire.
Get up under there and see what's going in there.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so I get some roast breadfruit. I'm sure, no? So that's what theirs look like. So what's on top?
That's here then. All of the heat and the fumes and the smoke will be
So it's like a chimney?
No, that's not even why you call it that.
Some for call it?
It's an escape route.
Escape route. Alright.
Yeah, we're not can't up nothing.
Alright.
We're not finished completely. We're not finished up yet. That's when they come here, they know it today.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Okay, so it's still in the works?
Yeah, it works. But now we're not, here's no work because we're on a deadline.
Yeah.
I live.
Live line. Lifeline.
Yeah, deadline.
So you think this cook faster than a regular stove in here, sir?
That's the thing now, I'm in a fast food world, you know. It cook.
It cook?
Within time.
And it cook good?
Can't you cook?
Alright, so we're gonna cook some ackee. We're gonna pick some ackee. So we're gonna do the ackee. Shell it up. Clean it up.
Yeah.
Alright, so you get the cold stove around another part?
Yeah, I carry on the cold stove.
Alright, cool. The beauty about this place is that you can do everything, everywhere, anywhere. You don't need a designated area for anything. You can move out the stove and right there's a kitchen for the day. You can move around the bed and right there's the bedroom for the day. There's no one designated spot. You just do as you feel, act as you feel, enjoy yourself. You see a lot of seating area, a lot of dining areas, a lot of everything.
A lot of relaxing area.
A lot of apparently. So let me set up the camera. see the coal stove coming out there. Oh! So look, the coal stove just got moved out. And this is where the cooking is gonna happen. By the way, guys, for those of you that are not from Jamaica and you're not aware, this plant, this fruit, it's a fruit. It's called ackee. It's actually Jamaica's national fruit. And when you pair it with the codfish, or as we call it, the saltfish, then it becomes Jamaica's national dish. I really don't know how exactly it got to be the national dish, but it is. And it's the national fruit. So this is it. So this is the ackee. This is the ackee. And funny enough, let me give you a funny story. See, when I was younger, I used to get teased a lot for my complexion, right? Because as you know, I'm of chocolate complexion, right? I'm dark skinned. And I used to have people that tease me about it. And they used to call me very unkind names and things. And it used to hurt my feelings. And it actually diminished my self-esteem at the time, right? And one of the things they used to call me is ackee seed, because they used to say that I'm black. Like ackee seed, and I used to hate it. I used to despise it because they would say it in a derogatory way and in a negative way to make me feel bad about myself, and it worked. But nowadays, I mean, those things don't bother me no more. But as a child growing up, you know, that kind of bullying kind of make your self-esteem go down, and it actually worked. But this is what the ackee seed looks like. Dark, and as you can see, it's actually darker than I am. That's a little bit more about me. And let me show you what the tree looks like, which I think I had shown you a little bit, but this is the tree. So this is the ackee inside the pod before it is opened, because it's not considered to be ripened until it starts looking like this. When it's like that, where you see it's all closed up, it's green, it's not yet ready. And it's also said to be poisonous at this stage. We are not meant to consume the ackee at this stage. You're not meant to open it or force ripe it. So if you do go anywhere and anybody is giving you ackee and it looks like this, do not take it, because at this point it has some poisonous chemicals in it and they're not released until they are naturally opened to look like this. And it's at this point where it can be consumed. So it's a little bit of a lesson for you. And this is what the tree looks like again, from bottom to the top. Here's another one, another fruit, and here's a bunch up there and some others there. Anywho, let's get to cooking. If you missed the last two videos I did at this place with IDI, I'm gonna encourage you to go and check them out. There's a part 1 and a part 2. I'll put both of them in the description bar, so click the link and it will take you to those videos. So you'll definitely want to watch it to get a little bit more of the backstory, a bigger tour of the place, and some reasoning there too, and then come back now where we're cook and we're reason right here. So today, November 2021, all right, in the pandemic. So this is the coconut water from the coconut that we just opened. What is this?
Calabash?
Calabash.
The little one there?
This is a cup.
The trees.
This is a cup.
So the trees are here.
Thank you. So this is a calabash. Gold is the name of the fruit.
Whichever the names actually.
Gold or calabash. And it actually came from this tree over here. Yeah.
Blossom.
This is what the calabash goldy tree looks like. So wait,
Some up on the tree there, Rochielin.
One next tree over there.
where?
Right there.
So is this big green plant that turned into that brown thing?
Yes.
Come guys, I've actually never seen it green before. It's my first time as well. Look at it.
Talking about them.
So this is it.
And Sandro's here.
And then that's what it comes. That's what so what's inside of it? Do you have to scrape out something from inside of
I
it?
was told and I've heard that there's whatever the nutrients and things that is inside of it can be eaten at a certain stage.
Yeah.
At a young stage also, but I've never done it, but I know one day I will.
So how do you get it to look like this?
You cut it, if I pick it, you cut it open and scrape out the thing. Because I that you take out a jelly.
Yeah.
Coconut.
And then leave it to dry?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Tell her to pick up off the tree and go to wait here. It's dry down.
Oh,
Sometimes
some
use it to
dry.
make decorations and everything.
Panganut this?
Yeah, that.
Or as we
The
should
tree got
call it,
water the other day.
the pomegranate.
Yeah, the pomegranate.
Jamaicans say panganut.
This is the king of the forest. Very good coal bush, you know.
King of the forest?
Yeah, very good coal bush.
Oh yeah?
Awesome.
So this is for cold and flu and sinus and everything. And this, what is this?
That's the
Leaf of life or
no,
mint?
the French thyme I was telling you about.
Thyme?
Maybe it's been incense.
Well, I'm so bad at the plants. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so bad at
Yeah,
plants.
it's
I can see everything and everything look the same sometimes.
Nothing wrong with that, you know. It's just that.
Mommy's the plant person, not me.
Here's your coconut water.
Thank you.
See the grapefruits on the tree a lot, no? See the grapefruit tree.
Oh yeah, grapefruit tree, guys.
Go close and get some.
Guys, look at the grapefruit trees, and there's some grapefruits growing. Oh, I can't wait for it to bear. Look at idea. As soon as where you stop for? As soon as a plant drops, like as soon as a leaf falls off of the tree, he picks them up. Like he is such a clean, tidy person. It's amazing. Look at that. Like when you just look, when you realize how clean this place is, and it's a lot of trees, which means that it sheds a lot, and he just picks it up as soon as he sees them. So it's forever clean.
Flower pot.
Yeah, man, anything we catch up.
Whole face.
Look at this, guys. You know, it's like the face base in the sink from the bathroom. Look, it's now a flower pot. Have you ever tried this? This is DIY at its best. Like a whole sink. So what he does, he collects a lot of things that people would throw away, and then he puts them to use. He recycles them. So that's good. You're gonna turn the breadfruit? Let's go turn the breadfruit. Let's go turn the breadfruit. No, man, but there's a lizard.
Come out, you don't want him. Come out! Oh my gosh, when that? Come out, we can get knocked. Oh gosh.
Him gone up. He went up.
See her? No, man, get knocked. Damn you, lizard.
He went up the rocks.
You sure?
Yeah. Man, I don't know where him go after that.
Damn. It's sad to know, see.
You never eat fire leaves, I did.
No, see.
See, I turn it with your hand?
No, now I use my foot. Maybe if you turn to the hand, why you use turn breadfruit?
Something that not hot. One fork or something.
No, man. I'm thinking of aristocratic life, you know. I'm thinking of natural vibration, you know. Knife and fork and table and sitting on the front of your face above. Sit properly. And fix your foot good. And everything there. So, you have to just get to the earth, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just get to the vibration and I'll say, yeah.
Yeah.
I remember I don't want nothing, you know, so we just do what we do. Till we pass through.
Yeah.
You know?
Boy, the lizard get fried a while ago. There was a lizard inside there, and I don't know. I think he went up in the rocks though.
I'm going to go cool out.
Yeah. So finally
rain.
take a seat, and the rain just started. It's raining now, but you know the work must continue. You know, Aki over here is being cleaned up, because we first have to clean it before it is cooked. And for my non-Jamaicans or my non-Caribbean people that don't know this, so let me show you. So this is what, let me come a little closer. So this is what the ackee looks like outside of the orange shell that I just showed you. And usually what's done is this black part is taken out of it, and then some little orange things are usually in here that is cleaned, and then this is what is either boiled or steamed. We're making ackee and we're making rundown, but we're not using any meat at all. I've actually never had rundown without meat. I usually have it with saltfish or salt mackerel. Well, this is an ackee rundown. Actually, it's a run-up rundown. I have my coconut water here, so in the little calabash cup, the gourd. or goldie, as Jamaicans call it, and we just showed it on the tree.
Okay, when I run down for the food, may I come together with my food here,
come
people?
together, yeah?
Yeah, okay, come together.
Yeah.
Coconut sweet.
Yeah? Well, look for the water sweet. I can imagine. Got the coconut sweet. Let me taste this. Please. So what's your favorite thing to do when you're there? When you're there? Most relaxing. What you do?
That's hard to put now one look. Everything I have to do, man. Sit down and meditate and do something to the fire. Make sure the fire right. Up inside without some bush. I pack 2 stones. Go down the road if you have to go down the road. No, nothing new.
That's good.
So nothing no. 2 favoritism, I think.
What has been the feedback like since we did the last video?
Good man, you know.
One heap of calls, one heap of texts.
One heap of vibes, yeah, and I say yeah.
A lot of people reach out to you, right?
Want to. But let me tell you the truth, I'm not really in it, you know. I'm not really in the web of life, you know. Do it, yes, right there, and we don't try eradicate it. You know what I mean? Because a whole heap of good can come out of it. And just the people with the pant and get caught in some wrongful way.
True.
You know? And I see the essence of the goodness that they go put in. It's a good work and a good sound, man. Because Rome did make it for conquer, we never know, so we still have to find ways and means of coming together. You know, in a positive way. So, I truly don't ever make it for really satisfying in a great way. I just keep a watch pan and do all kind of something and control the same and the thinking and programming and all these things. And
yeah.
So we do come together now and can face it and use it to make sure we say good things and the right thing them and
if I put out the positivity and put out the good things and use the platform wisely.
I look on some of the comments and I smile and I tell me, I say, yeah, so comment for sound. Everything of the sound the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are telling you, them know this and them know that. I say, yes. I'm glad because I never know this. I'm glad you can't tell me that. So I tell people, say, well, I kind of feel like I know I'm smarter than everybody else.
A lot of people reached out to me from that video and say, yeah, man, I respect you, man. I respect the knowledge and respect the work we put in and I get a lot.
And that's what we respect each other.
Yeah, I'm
putting in.
Something. I put me there a Montego Bay and the police pulled me over. I made an illegal U-turn because I don't know my bay that well.
Yeah.
So I made a U-turn where I wasn't supposed to make a U-turn. Police pulled me over and him ticket me.
Yeah.
And after him finished ticket me, he was like, I don't know if he's at that point, him look over and realize that is me. And then he said, hold on, you're Rochielin? Yeah, man, you do the video with the Rasta man over there. This is when I just did the video. You do the video with the Rasta man over there. I love the video there, no girl. And I said, officer,
get back into ticket.
Yeah, that's for ticket me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
No, but I'm doing him job, so I learned for doing job. But I got a lot of feedback from that video. The people like, you see, people like the natural thing, earth living, as much as a lot of time I stray from that and go get these things of the world. But at heart, I think that this is what we want.
We can't stray from this to the rest of the things of the world that come from this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I say. So even if you have you're interested in the things of the world, make sure you know about this. Make sure this govern. You know, keep you grounded and rounded and all these things. Connected, even connected. Can I say the internet connected? It's disconnect a lot of people right now, I tell you that. As connected as them, enough of them say them connected. It's far disconnected.
Yeah, right. Let's talk a little
Let me
bit
check it
more
and see how
about
people
that.
behave, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And the things that people tend to put out on the wickedness and plain wickedness that go on the thing every day. Murders, everything, and crime still cannot be solved or figured out according to the system. So me I say, well, all right then. What kind of law them really have for sustain I and I liberty if I know nature? You know? So, that man. And who want to feel pleased for a reason feel pleased, who want to feel displeased because I know that come about. You know?
Definitely.
But that's my thing. But some things I'm saying them now displeased about me, I say, but could they?
Right?
You know?
Some things are going on world, you know, if you really check it.
We even want to go so far out of the world like oh yeah, so you know. But the things are going on so right
here,
now.
so too.
Where? Need to be attentive to and this system just nah balance. And the more them say more laws and more clause, you know, the worse it get.
You know, we were reasoning in the car today. You know, so this technology thing here then come with it. On the one hand, it is good, but on the other hand, it make we not think. Ijabing was saying it on the radio.
Yes, man.
One time gone, your auntie we used to call you, and who you used to go call from the ICAS. You know our number out of your head.
What is the ICAS?
ICAS was a way of making an
international call when you got a phone booth.
In a
land phone, them, yeah, them time there.
Okay.
Equivalence of phone. And the number that you used to have to register them in your head.
I
So the other day I drive on a Trafalgar Road and a boy picking phone, grabbing phone out of hand, and run gone. And when you go to the phone company, like them, I tell them, say,
what your number?
Tell me 3 numbers that you frequently call.
I don't know.
Couldn't tell him 3.
And couldn't tell them. But if it was in the old time before now, when you did have to know your mama number, different from your daddy number, different from your auntie number. So this technology thing where them are come with, we feel like it and make we really better.
Wait, name?
Mentally.
Well, I mean,
it will take the knowledge
no,
Yes.
it's when you rely too much on the technology and don't balance it with your brain, because you have to remember in life everything is a balance.
Yeah, but
so
right
too
now,
much of anything
too
is
much
not
of
good.
the people them so they can't balance.
Yeah, but that's why it's important for people now have to learn how to step back sometimes and come and do something like out in the nature and take breaks from the technology sometimes.
Right.
So I won't say that. I mean, in that case, I won't say it's bad, but too much of it is bad.
Yeah.
I agree with that point. Sometimes you have to take back, because think about it too. Students in school, because they know they can Google things now. No, it's harder for you to store it in your brain or to think about it, because they can just go Google the answer. So in that case too, they also need to step back from it and start to rely more on their brain. Because we used to rely on our brains much more.
And we can't tell you we never need it. Because if this is technology, we don't want where we have as our own thinking. What is that? Where do I define that? We're coming together and creating things naturally, and you know, I want to know it in a way. It is an inbound thing where, yeah, that's how we make up. Yeah, creators of things just like how we've been creating.
It's a way for them to think for you, man.
Then that material is the same thing I was saying earlier. A lot
yeah.
of people say them doing their thinking, but it's not true.
And programming for things for them thing is the thing.
And that's why those of us that are enlightened have to learn to know, balance it out and start thinking for yourself and take yourself away from it, take breaks.
One time at school, you know, you did have one subject named mental ability, you know. On the curriculum, when teacher come in, you know, teacher just flip her finger 2 times and say, 10.
Yeah, I snap out.
You,
with
Mr.
Yeah.
IDI, 10 times 10 is how much?
I said, Miss, you know that? Yeah, come in and ask me that.
Look here.
Right now, the penny them saying, ask me that.
No, ask Google.
It's a miss.
But me tell you, say we used to come up with
yes,
it.
man.
Flip. Look like they didn't have nothing to do them.
It didn't come like it thinking. It didn't come like it thinking. It told us to the thing there. Remember me I grew as youth, you know? I still have that, enough of that in the same way.
Yeah. One next thing we did name phonics. When they come in and do fun with words. Right now, they can't spell it. They can't spell it. If you tell them to spell a word and nickname, they spell it.
Nickname.
They can't spell up your funny spelling they come with.
I have a little daughter right now. Nima there. 6-year-old, I was 7, not 2 months.
Yeah? So you go.
She don't like read, like come like me. And then something like, she don't like read. And then something about trust me when she tell you things, you know. You say about, oh, you know read. I don't want to do them things about. I'm going to say something where the youth them know I it's a natural state when them as babies and something. A certain knowing and connectivity there. Big people lose out on that. A lot. The majority of the adults them lose out on that. I tell them, so I'm not going to overgrown. Like I'm not pick the same way. You know what I mean? I'm not serious about everything. I'm very serious, you know. I'm very serious. And I might laugh and everything, because when I reason about everything, I'm serious reasoning. I'm like, you know, say, the thinking have to come back to you. There's a program in under. TV for lock off. Phone for put down.
Sometimes you have to plug out.
Plug out. That
You
is the
have to
state where you
plug
go
out.
plug out. Because it's been watching you
Sometimes you have to go up on airplane mode. Plug out. Nobody can reach you. You can't reach nobody. You on the bush them. Just go all the reasoning.
And not even nobody who make it.
Yeah.
Can't get in touch with you night and ask you what you do because people feel for over the thing to the level. So it goes so. Yes, I said I hope I'll go clippings more time for some things. I have one, I think I sent one just a few days ago. The version of them say, see me. Right now, what people say I'm a thing for themselves, man, but I lie. Man, so you think TV now make for laugh off again. Remember TV is a sign off when we are youth, the nicest time.
Tell me about that. Tell me about that. How TV used to sign off. Because I still
to me, are the greatest times.
I can't understand that concept because I wasn't around then. So explain to me what TV was like back in the day here in Jamaica.
All right, this is from cable, satellite dish and something come in. TV not to one sign off till it reach cable.
No, but more you tell me about the sign off.
Sign off, what you tell man? 12 midnight, you hear the national anthem ringing out. And you see a screen that stand up in front of you, so red, white, and blue, and colors, three colors.
So give me the context for me now. It was where only some household had TVs. Yeah. It was black and white. It sign on what time. Give me the
yeah, man, black and white. A few people had color TV certain years.
Yeah.
Few, like people can afford.
People go up
and foreign and seat and say, but color TV not them time, yeah. I got Jamaica. Remember when I used to have, like in black and white TV, we have one at a time. Our Virgin will go.
Yeah.
Yeah, do they know where you to up and down on the road and play football at the hours and night or anything and with our Virgin you had to watch some TV. Yeah, I show us a certain program come on at time and do it. Now everything runs straight.
6 in the morning.
6 o'clock TV sign on.
And by 12 o'clock at night it a sign on.
And you get programs
11:59
2 to 3 hours you get this.
What do you mean by sign on?
You mean it?
So it was a blank screen if you
yeah, you don't get no programming after that.
Okay.
No picture and nothing.
And then a program comes up at 6 a.m.
TV ready back and hear the national anthem.
All type of program comes throughout the day, up into night, and at 11:59 you get ready to sign off again.
And the national anthem
play. And then after the national anthem,
and TV gone.
TV blank.
Yeah, all right. Hear them now tomorrow.
Wow.
See you morning.
So the programs that were playing throughout the day, was that black and white or was it in color?
Most TV black and white. Yeah, black and white. Black and white. Yeah, okay.
When they start to introduce a colored TV, you know, somebody used to take one piece of like
plastic vibration. We used to have some paper put away there. You get a piece of purple paper. You just put away there and say, wow, at least we get like a purple.
Yeah.
You know, a piece of red. You know them plastics so you can use wrap thing there, you can it's plain where you can see through.
Yeah.
Cheap talk about TV man, say, oh you mean?
Purple TV.
Yeah, but that piece of a piece of colour that thing there now.
Yeah.
Guy, you know the world was black and white totally, you know, if you check it you know. Black and white painting everywhere you go. When you use black and white house, you see black and white house, you're confused.
Yeah.
Black and white, black and white, black and white.
In Jamaica, black and white.
Black and white, black and white.
So even like paint colored black and white.
Black and white was plenty. I'm telling you, now it's a colour turn up on house and something because we know colour around the earth a long time. Colour around the earth long time, I'm having a black and white thinking. You know, so it was always have a racist vibes to me. Yeah, when you check it out.